So now we want to be clear of what's happening with our models. So I'm just going to delete this reference. Since the links are not turned on, I wanted to change it. So now I'm going to export it with the shared system. So just be careful, because even though you have, I'm just going to call it here 01 on under slash, and then just going to set here is not project internally shared coordinates. So because in this file it's actually the shared coordinate and the project base point the same one, it won't make a difference, but it will make it on the other file. Origin. Here I'm just gonna export Navisworks system. Just checking, but the same thing will apply. It won't have to change anything. So I'm just gonna put 01, so I can know the ones with 01, it's the ones I'm exporting. And then when I get here to Navisworks, I can check if I'm appending the 01. It's actually on the same spot. I can delete this one, delete this one. Then I'm just gonna start having the other one. So as you can see, it's really useful to have everything on shared coordinates, since you're gonna have the same positioning system and you don't need to care how much the axes were moved. But the thing is that the grids may get moved in a long way of how they're getting built. So it's really important to have a clear reference and to have someone to get charge of those coordination systems. So now let's see how does that work when we're having a file on Revit. We have this new option, so it's for a coordination model. So we can add an instance, for example, of the other file. It says the path, it's absolute relative, and we can get it okay. So in this case, it's being inserted through the origin point, but still it will be working for a reference to see. So if we want to change this reference, you just need to get rid of that model, remove it, and change by shared coordinates so it gets everything on proper position. So we need to delete it first. We need to select this file. Since I got mistaken, just change the positioning systems to by shared coordinates, and then we can select our Navisworks file. So that will go, and that will be much more lighter than having the complete Revit model, but it still will help to see what's going on with those references. We can check how it's the override. We can get just transparency. And so far it's a lighter model, but it will help us have a clear overview for coordination.